The Application Extender website provides a convenient way to securely manage student records. All Skill Centers instructors should use this system to manage completion certificates and other documents. Please set aside time every week to scan and upload documents to help keep the system up to date. To log in to AppXtender, open a web browser and go to okcareer.tech/AppXtender, AppXtender. No need to type the HTTPS. This URL will direct you to the AppXtender login site. Once at the login screen, consider bookmarking this page in your browser. Then log in using your user ID and password. After logging in, you can search, view, add, and manage files. For login assistance, contact OMES. For other questions, contact the Career Tech State Agency. To upload a document, on the AppXtender home screen in the left column, click the CT Skill Centers link. If you see a list of saved queries on the screen that belong to someone else, you can ignore them. Click the blue New Document button in the top center of the screen. Use your computer's File Explorer to search your hard drive to locate the PDF you need to upload. Once you've located the file, click the file's name, hold your mouse button, and drag the file to the large open space in the left side of the AppXtender window. Click the OK button on the pop-up window that appears. You should now see the document in the AppXtender window. Enter the document information in the fields on the right side of the screen. Choose the Skill Center site from the drop-down menu. Type in the student's first and last names and their Department of Corrections number. Choose the appropriate category from the GRDS series drop-down list. Type in the intended disposal date. For permanent records, type a date in the distant future, such as 10/31/2099. Type in the current date in the Scan Date field. Click the blue Save button. To search the database, on the AppXtender home screen, click the blue New Query button in the top center of the screen or the blue magnifying glass in the upper right. On the new search screen, type in your search criteria in the appropriate fields, such as the Skill Center site and the student's last name. You do not need to type information in all the fields. Press Enter or click the blue Run button at the bottom of the screen. The query results screen will appear. To preview a document, you can mouse over the gray page icon. To open a document, you can double-click the row of text in the results window or click the blue down arrow icon next to the document and then click Open. In addition, to modify an existing search, in the upper right, click the blue magnifying glass and arrow icon and choose Last Query. While on the Query Results screen, to display only certain columns in the Query Results view, click the blue gear icon in the upper right and then click to select the column titles you want to display. When finished, click the blue Save button at the bottom. To rearrange columns, on the Query Results screen, click the blue gear icon in the upper right. Click to select the column titles you want to move. Then click the gray up or down arrow to place the column in the desired order. When finished, click the blue Save button at the bottom. The Search Expression dialog box allows you to narrow a search within an index field. From the New Search screen, select the gray Search Range icon to the right of the field. From the Type of Comparison drop-down list, choose a type of search. Options include between, greater than, not equal to, and so forth. As an example, choosing the comparison type between value 2022 and 2023 would display entries between and including these 2 years. Toolbar buttons. The document view includes a toolbar that allows users to control viewing options. The tools toward the left allow you to show or hide thumbnails, browse through the document pages, rotate pages, zoom out, adjust the amount of zoom, zoom in, Fit the page to the width of the screen, fit the page to the height of the screen, view the entire page, disable pan mode. The remaining tools allow instructors to edit or redact content if necessary. To email a document from the Query Results screen, click the checkboxes next to the documents you need to email. A small toolbar will pop up. Click the blue email icon. At the top of the pop-up window, choose the radio button for All Pages or Page Range. If selecting Page Range, you must also type in a range of pages in the Page Range field. Type a title for the email message in the subject field. This is a required field. You may also choose to type a message in the body field. If sending multiple files, you can check the Archive Documents into one zip file box. Verify that the MSG Format Radio button is selected. Click the blue Email button at the bottom of the pop-up window. Wait a few seconds for the server to process the request. To export a document from the Query Results screen, click the checkboxes next to the document you need to export. A small toolbar will pop up. Click the blue Export icon. On the Export drop-down menu, click Export Selected Documents. On the Export Documents pop-up window, verify that Use PDF Format is selected, and then select Hide Annotations if you want to exclude annotations on the exported document. Click the blue Export button at the bottom of the pop-up window. The document should export to your computer's Download folder. When the export is completed, a notification will display. To print a document from the Query Results screen, click the checkboxes next to the documents you need to print. A small toolbar will pop up. Click the blue Print icon. The Print drop-down menu displays radio buttons for the range of pages to print and a checkbox to hide notations. Clicking the More Options link displays controls for adjusting the print quality, page and paper size, and the margins. Click the blue Print button at the bottom of the pop-up window. The print job will render as a PDF, and it will appear in a new browser window. If rendering fails, the document will not print. Your browser must have a PDF Reader app enabled. Otherwise, the browser will download the rendered PDF rather than display it in a browser window. Importing files or pages to existing documents. Please note that AppXtender does not allow users to drag and drop a message from an email program. To import an email and/or its attachments, open the email and click File, Print to print the file. If you have Adobe Acrobat installed, you can click File, Save as Adobe PDF. Change the printer settings to a PDF option, such as Microsoft Print as PDF. Click the Print button, and then name and save the PDF. Import the email PDF into the web app. To import an email attachment, while in the email, click to download the documents to your hard drive, and then import the attachments into the web app. To drag and drop files to create a new document from the AppXtender home screen, locate the desired files on your computer. With the left mouse button, click on the files you want to add. While keeping the mouse button pressed, drag the files onto the New Document button. To import multiple files into an existing document using drag and drop, search for and display the document you want to add pages to. To insert pages between existing pages, browse to the page in the existing document where the new pages should appear. For example, if you want to add new pages after page 2 in the existing document, browse to view page 2. Locate the desired files on your computer. Click the files you want to add. Files import in the reverse order they were selected. For example, if you want File 1 to appear first, File 2 second, and File 3 third, select File 3 first, File 2 second, and File 1 third. While keeping the mouse button pressed, drag the files onto the currently viewed page. A window will display that allows you to choose where to place the imported files. The choices include insert before the currently viewed page, insert after the currently viewed page, append pages to the end of the document. Click the blue OK button to complete the page import process. That's it in a nutshell. Be sure to contact the CareerTech State Agency if you need assistance.